Good morning, clients, and welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm very thrilled to give you a tour of the most recently completed project here in Parañaque City, which is called Calathea Place. Its exact location is here at Dr. Arcadio Santos Avenue. As you can see, it's actually in the main road and in a very strategic location. Ang nagustuhan ko sa project na to is that it's very accessible sa lahat. For example, schools, it's actually very near International Christian Academy or ICA, approximately 2.5 kilometers away. For hospitals, there's actually a number of hospitals here. For example, UniHealth Parañaque Medical Center, that's approximately 700 meters away. And for malls also, it's approximately 1 kilometer away from SMBF Parañaque. And the main selling point ng project na to is that it's also very close to the airport, approximately 20 to 30 minutes away, or 2 kilometers away from Sukat Expressway. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's go and start the tour. So let's start the tour here at Calathea Place, starting with the guardhouse. So the good thing about DMCI projects, of course, is the security. We have 24-hour security in all of our projects, rather. Morning. So yan. We are now inside Calathea Place. This is actually one of my most favorite projects ng DMCI. Sa Parañaque, by the way, DMCI has a total of 8 projects and 2 projects na lang ang may available units, and one of them is Calathea Place. The other one is Atherton, which is later on I'm going to also discuss with you. The theme of Calathea Place is modern tropical with 1.54 hectare development, and it has 4 towers. We will be starting the tour with Zebrina. Zebrina has actually been completed last February of 2019, and it has 7 levels. The entire project of Calathea is actually considered a mid-rise development kasi yung maximum number of levels dito, 2 out of the 4 towers, is actually 12 levels. Alright. So dito sa Zebrina is actually where we will have the reception area or the lobby. It is extended up to the other side. And here we have the different parts and amenities of Calathea. We have the fitness gym, the PMO, and as always, we always have the convenience store, laundry station, water refilling station. those are some of the places to go to here at Calathea Place. As you can see, these beautiful furniture sa reception area ng Zebrina. It's a perfect place to hang out with your family and friends. Okay. Okay, so now this is our snack bar slash coffee shop slash milk tea shop. As you can see, the menu. Okay, so hindi na natin kailangan lumabas if we want to have snacks or something. Sa lahat ng DMCI projects din, palaging merong snack bar. Nag-iiba-iba lang yung mga brands, because that commercial space is actually open for homeowners for bidding. So if you were wanting to have, for example, you're a resident of Calathea and you'd like to propose for a snack bar or convenience store, you just have to submit a business proposal kay DMCI and participate in the bid. Okay, so now we are on the second tower dito sa Calathea Place, which is called Leonia Tower. It actually also has 7 levels and has been completed last October of 2019. So extended yung ating reception area dito sa tower na to. Okay, so now because we really cannot avoid the fact dahil madadaanan na natin yung amenities, I'll also give you a glimpse of the amenities. Nang nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa Calathea Place, actually, sa lahat naman ng projects, but for Calathea Place, it has a very unique feel na resort, of course, resort-inspired community. At the same time, it feels very homey. So, this is our swimming pool. Mamaya babalikan natin yung amenities, ha. So, tapusin ko lang yung tour ng mga towers natin. So, pasukin natin tong Atrium level. So, as you can see, it still has the Lumivent design technology or the Atrium garden floor. So the ground level of Marantina building. Okay. So here we are at the ground floor of Marantina. It has a total of 12 levels and it's already having the Lumivent design technology. Okay. This is actually, if this is your first time to watch a video of mine, this is one of my most favorite part sa DMCI projects is the hallway. The hallway provides a very spacious amount of space kasi talagang the distance between the units sobrang massive. It provides the clients natural flow of air and lighting. Kaya this is actually one of the main reasons kung bakit mabilis maubos sa mga projects ng DMCI. Calathea has 4 high-speed elevators. Okay, as you can see. So unlike the other 2 towers, dito sa Marantina building and the other building which is Lavender, both ground floors meron na silang mga units because the reception area or the lobby areas are actually nandun sa first 2 towers, yung Zebrina and Leonia. Alright, so now we are down to the last tower dito sa Calathea Place, which is called the Marantina building. It also has 12 levels and was completed last August of 2020. This is again the atrium floor. Today I'm going to show you our 2-bedroom model unit. So we'll start with the unit layout. So as you can see here, this is a 55 square meter model unit and most of our 2-bedroom units, ganito yung layout natin. So the bedroom 1 has access to the balcony and that is the master's bedroom. And bedroom number 2, yun yung, of course, second bedroom na walang access sa balcony natin. And I'd say mga 80% ng mga projects ng DMCI, ganito ang layout ng 2-bedroom unit. Ang other types naman ng 2-bedroom units namin, yung tinatawag namin Korean cut. Ibig sabihin yung bedrooms are not adjacent to each other. So let's go and let's have a look of this 2-bedroom model unit. Welcome to your future home here at DMCI Homes. So for today, I'm going to show you the actual model unit ng isang 2-bedroom unit sa DMCI property. Now, for this layout, this is what we call the standard layout, na on the left side, you have the kitchen. And sa kitchen, ang deliverables in DMCI will be the granite countertops, and of course, the kitchen cabinets are also included. Now, sa mga newer projects namin, ang main difference lang ng kitchen cabinets is that wala na siyang handle, but it's already a soft-close kitchen cabinet. For this model, or for this project kasi, hindi pa siya soft-close. Alright? So, isa yun sa mga upgrades in DMCI sa mga current projects. We also have the provisions for all the appliances, like for example, for the range hood, may provision na dyan, but of course, hindi kasama yung furniture. And there's also a dedicated slot kung saan natin ilalagay ang refrigerator. So, this is our kitchen area. Now, let's move on to the living and dining area. Now, for the living and dining area, dito yung nalagay sa space na to. Na for this layout, it's actually on the right side. And as you can see, you can actually have a decent-sized living area on this side and a kitchen area on the other side. Okay? Now, for the other 2-bedroom units, normally ang pinagkakaiba lang nila is where the kitchen and the living and dining area are located. So for example, for this actual unit, it's on the left and nasa right naman yung living and dining area. For the other units, magbabaliktad lang sila. Okay, but pretty much ganito ang standard 2-bedroom model or unit ng DMCI. On this side is our toilet and bath. As you can see, the toilet and bath of DMCI is also a very good space, actually a very generous space. And upon deliverable of the unit, yung ating tiles, ang toilet natin, andyan, may mga tiles na siya, wala lang siyang shower enclosure. Pero yung shower, yung mga ganyan, meron na yan. And meron din tayong granite dito. It's also included for a 2-bedroom unit for DMCI. Now, let's move on to the bedrooms. For this particular layout, the master's bedroom is on the left. It's actually pretty easy to find out. Of course, the bigger bedroom is always the master's bedroom. And on average, the master's bedroom of DMCI units ranges from approximately 9 to 11 square meters. Normally, ganun yung size niya. And the master's bedroom will also have access to the balcony. Yung green curtain na yan, the balcony is actually there. Alright? And then the cabinets in the bedrooms are actually not included. So, ang pinaka-kasama lang talaga are the kitchen cabinets. Okay, now let's check the smaller bedroom. Now, for most of my clients, actually even mga single clients ko, I always recommend a 2-bedroom or to get a 2-bedroom unit kasi it's always good to have a condo that will be parang you can use it for a longer period of time kasi you may be single now but later on, of course, you will have a family. While you are single, you can use this as a guest room or you can also use it for like an office for you. So the cabinet is actually placed on this side. Also, as you can see, sa mga bedrooms ng units ng DMCI, we are using vinyl planks. So, ganyan ang itsura niya ng flooring. That's the actual deliverable. Okay? Now, for the washing machine, this is actually the location. Meron siyang, what do you call this? Meron siyang area for washing machine space. Ayan. So, ganyan ang provision for the washing machine. Sa mga newer projects ng DMCI, nagkakaroon na ng enclosure na ganito, but for the other projects or the older projects, we have the provision for the washing machine inside the toilet and bath. Alright. In terms of the floor-to-ceiling height, this is one of the main questions that I get from my clients. The good thing with DMCI projects is that yung floor-to-ceiling height natin is above average, and it normally ranges from 2.6 to 2.8 meters. All right, as you can see here, this is a sample actual delivered unit, and the size of the ceiling is actually a very good, decent size, and that's above average. So I hope you enjoyed this tour for a 2-bedroom model unit, which can be your future home. So if you would like to inquire on any of the DMCI projects, feel free to contact me. This is Mike, and thank you very much. Okay, so now let's start the tour naman sa amenities ng Calathea Place. The good thing about Calathea is that meron siyang 3 swimming pools. So this is the first one. Medyo mababaw lang siya. It's actually pwede for the kids. Ganda talaga ng vibe dito, no? Although lahat naman ng projects ng DMCI ganito. Let's now check the second swimming pool. A lot of our landscape gardens. Yan. This is our lap pool. Approximately 25 meters lap pool. Sobrang ganda rin ng mga plants na nandito sa Calathea, di ba? And our gazebos and grilling pits. So meron pa rin yan, of course. Whenever you would like to have a barbecue day with your family and friends. Hindi lang 2 ang swimming pool, 3 pa. This is our third pool. And of course, our playground for the kids, or the children's play area. This is our play area. And lastly, our basketball court. So now we are here at the roof deck of Lavender Tower dito sa Calathea Place. As what I've mentioned sa mga previous videos ko is that roof deck ang isa sa most favorite part ko din ng DMCI projects. Kasi it gives you a 360-degree view ng property. Alright, so you will have a great view of the South Parañaque. Balik tayo dito sa loob because I would like to show you the function room. Sana open siya. Yes, open. Ayan. So this is the function room dito sa Lavender Tower. Now, ito yung isa sa mga reasons kung bakit sobrang favorite ko si Calathea Place is because of this function room. Now, not a lot of projects ng DMCI nagkakaroon ng function room sa roof deck. So, Calathea Place is one of those projects na meron. And to name other projects, we also have one in Fairway Terraces rather. And we also have in Torre de Manila. So, syempre yan, imagine magkakaroon ka ng event dito, birthday, or even a wedding reception. Tapos sa gabi, you have a lot of lights there outside. And this actually can easily house, I'd say, 100 to 150 guests. Ayan. So, parang almost half ng roof deck ng Lavender ginamit for the function area. Okay, this is so perfect as well, guys, kasi kitang-kita na yung nearest pre-selling project dito sa Calathea Place. Yung dalawang towers na yan, of course, you know the design of DMCI, the big open spaces, yung mga big rectangular boxes na yan, the Lumivent technology. Yung two towers na yan is actually the Atherton. But totally, it has 3 towers. Yung isang tower kasi naka-perpendicular siya dun sa isang tower kaya hindi siya masyadong kita. The turnover of that project is actually August of 2022, yung pinaka-first tower. And that is for the Oak Building. And then the next tower to be completed is the Helicia Building, which is February of 2023. And lastly is the Almond Building, August of 2023. I'm very excited as well to give you a tour of that project, guys, but that's going to be the earliest will be this coming August or September kasi currently nasa finishing stages pa yung ating Oak Tower kaya hindi pa natin pwedeng pasukin yung project na yan. And Atherton has a 1.76 hectares of land, and it's also a modern tropical themed design. That is the other roof deck sa kabilang building, which is the Marantina building. Diba, as you can see, sobrang ganda ng neighborhood dito sa Calathea Place. If you are after a project in the south, this is definitely a place for you to consider. And ang nagustuhan ko pa sa kanya is that the places nearby or the establishments nearby are not so high in terms of the floor level, kaya yung views ng mga residents natin hindi masyadong mabablock. So that concludes our tour for today here at Calathea Place. So if you think that this is the place that you would like to purchase a property, then this is the perfect opportunity for you to contact me while we still have units available. Now for Calathea, we only have 1-bedroom units left because 2-bedroom units are already sold out, unfortunately. And we have 45 units available. We were already able to sell 893 units dito sa Calathea. Now for the 45 available units, 1-bedroom starts at 3.8 million, and the good thing about the purchasing a unit this month is we have a great promo. DMCI kapag ka mga ready for occupancy projects just like Calathea, we always charge a 20% spot down payment, and that was pre-pandemic. But because of the pandemic, a lot has changed, and that includes giving you a very good promo. So for completed projects like Calathea, DMCI is offering a 15% down payment, but that is going to be payable in 24 months. So imagine parang naging pre-selling siya. You have 2 years to pay the down payment. The monthly amortization for the 1-bedroom unit will then become approximately 23,000 per month. And you'll be able to use the unit, of course, after 2 years then, kasi it has to be fully paid. 85% will be via bank financing. Now, if you were after a 2-bedroom unit, then the perfect place for you to get a property here, also in Dr. Arcadio Santos Avenue, is in Atherton. Yung pinakita ko kasi sa inyo kanina na na nasa roof deck. You saw the building is already complete as well. For Atherton, it's approximately 400 meters away here from Calathea. So exactly the same location. Kung ano yung mga benefits na makukuha natin for having a unit in Calathea will be the same in Atherton. Now, the good thing about buying a unit in Atherton is that you have 2-bedroom units naman available there. Unfortunately, 1-bedroom naman ang na-sold out kay Atherton. So we currently have 195 units left for Atherton, and the price of the 2-bedroom starts at 5.5 million. And the current promo that we have there is clients are going to be given additional 24 months for the down payment period instead of just 12 months. I forgot to mention kasi sa ibang projects namin, the DMCI only offers additional 12 months for the DP period. Now, another promo for Atherton is that we are giving away 3%, or we are going to provide you 3% down payment payable for the first year. So that gives you a monthly amortization for as low as 12,000 pesos per month. At least that is for the first year. For the second year, you will be paying 4% down payment. And lastly, for the third year, until the remaining months, you will be paying the entire 8% for a total of 15%. Now, the benefit of this promo is parang the first 2 years payments will be very, very minimal, which is very good, especially this time of the pandemic. So, another perfect reason to buy a property now is also the 2% discount that the DMCI is offering. So we have until the end of this month for you to take advantage of these promos. All that you need to do is contact me, and my information is displayed on screen right now. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Mike. Have a great day.